How to fix Instagram Reels not showing. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix this on your Instagram. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone, then go and you have to open apps option here. Then you have to scroll down or you search for Instagram from here. Open it. When you find it, then you have to scroll down, go to storage now, and you have to go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on first stop and click OK. And what's next now, guys? You have to go to your permissions. Now you go to files and media, allow access to media only, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in another video.